Question 16. An owner tells his listing agent that his home being sold, has a leaky roof. The listing agent should A. Tell the owner to paint over any water spots that indicate there is a leak. B. Disclose the fact that the roof leaks to prospective purchasers. C. Not disclose the fact that the roof leaks to prospective purchasers because it is not a material fact. D. Disclose the fact that the roof leaks to prospective purchasers only if the purchasers ask specifically about any problems with the roof. Correct answer is B. Disclose the fact that the roof leaks to prospective purchasers. Question 17. In business, liquidity refers to A. Whether the business can be sold within 90 days. B. Yearly receipts. C. Current assets and current liabilities. D. Bank deposits. Correct answer is C. Current assets and current liabilities. Question 18. Agency disclosure law requires a licensee to do all of the following, except A. Disclosure. B. Election. C. Representation. D. Confirmation. Correct answer is C. Representation. Question 19. An owner advertises that he will pay a commission to any broker finding a buyer whose offer is accepted by the owner. This kind of open listing is A. Express and unilateral. B. Express and bilateral. C. Implied and unilateral. D. Implied and executory. Correct answer is A. Express and unilateral. Question 20. The judicial proceeding used to decide ownership when there is a cloud on title is called A. Suit for partition. B. Quiet title. C. Action for unclouded status. D. Partition. Correct answer is B. Quiet title. Question 21. Fair market value can be defined as A. How much a property is worth, as determined by a broker. B. The price at which a seller will freely sell a property and a buyer will freely buy it. C. How much a property is worth, as determined by the tax assessor. D. The price of comparable properties in the neighborhood. Correct answer is B. The price at which a seller will freely sell a property and a buyer will freely buy it. Question 22. The top salesperson at a real estate agency informs his broker that he is leaving the agency and going to work for another broker. His current broker should A. Contact the other broker and threaten to report him to the authorities for stealing his salesperson. B. Return the license certificate to the salesperson. C. Not return the license certificate to the salesperson until he has made at least one more sale as compensation for the departure. D. Return the license certificate to the salesperson and immediately notify the real estate commissioner of his departure. Correct answer is D. Return the license certificate to the salesperson and immediately notify the real estate commissioner of his departure. Question 23. A major difference between real property and personal property is A. Real property depreciates in value. Personal property does not. B. Real property can be leased. Personal property cannot. C. Real property is immovable. Personal property can be moved. D. Real property can be paid for on an installment plan. Personal property cannot. Correct answer is C. Real property is immovable. Personal property can be moved. Question 24. Mayor Magruder cast the deciding vote on a zoning decision that made it impossible for a nightclub on a certain street to continue to operate. The zoning change forced the nightclub owner, Oscar, to sell the property. Knowing that, the mayor instructed his broker to offer a lower than market rate price for such a property, which Oscar reluctantly accepted. If Oscar discovers the mayor's role in passing the zoning decision, and can prove it to the court, it is likely Oscar can have the contract declared void according to the legal doctrine of A. Duress, B. Fraud, C. Misrepresentation, D. The contract will be considered valid no matter what Oscar argues. Correct answer is A. Duress. Question 25. An estate of indefinite duration would apply to A. Tenancy at sufferance, B. Periodic tenancy, C. Estate of inheritance, D. Tenancy at will. Correct answer is C. Estate of inheritance.